How to log into your Xeon's bank account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Xeon's bank account online. So let's get started. So first thing first, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Xeon's bank account and just head over to the first link which appears over here, which is the official website of xeonsbank.com. And you can just tap on this sign in button over here at the top right corner and just select a sign in the destination below, that is whether it's your personal banking or business banking. So simply choose any one of those options based on your choice. And from over here, you just have to enter your registered username as well as your password. And from over here, you just have to enter your registered username as well as your password. So once you enter all of those, you can just tap on sign in button over here. And if you haven't already enrolled or created a new account, you can always click on this enroll now button to do so. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.